Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and do another review on a Kiss product. Kiss has been doing the damn thing behind my back because I didn't know that they had all these products. I've used their lashes for years and always enjoyed their lashes, but little did I know that they had all these other products. I did a Falscara review probably, I don't know, like a few videos ago. I'll link that up here for you guys. Love those. Actually ordered more. Definitely recommend those, so make sure to check the video out if you guys want to see what I am talking about. I have since discovered that they have like this whole array of different products. So the product I'm going to be reviewing today is the Lash Glue Liner by Kiss. I went ahead and grabbed the clear and I grabbed the black. I figured I wanted to try them both because there's some days that I like to wear lashes, but it doesn't, makes it look like I don't have a lash on. I also got a black liner one because I figured on the days that I want to wear, a thick, bold eyeliner, that this would be a great fit. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and review these two products today and do a no eyeliner look with the clear lash glue, and then I'll come back and wash that off, and then we'll do the wing liner using the same product in black. That way you guys can get a look at both of them. Little face while you guys are here, and we'll go ahead and get started. Spritz my face with a setting spray. I can't find shit. The foundation I'm going to use today is the Dream Urban Cover by Maybelline. It's one of my favorites. I also have a review on that. Do a quick little look and see how well it works. I'm excited to try it because that will cut out a step that is sometimes a little depressing. Anybody who uses lashes knows that messing with that glue sometimes is not the best. It's not the most fun thing to deal with. And I feel like this just kills two birds with one stone. Liner and glue at the same time. Like, I don't know why it took so long for somebody to invent this. So I'm excited to go ahead and try it. Like I said, I just ordered this and I haven't touched it yet. So been waiting to try it with you guys. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. concealer, just do my little spots that I usually do. Sorry, I'm rushing through this. Like I said, I want to get to the liner portion. And if you guys have any questions about any of the products that I'm using, and make sure to check the description box below. I link all the products that I use in all my videos in that description. And I've also done like my everyday makeup looks. If I can find that, I'll link it for you guys up here somewhere so you guys can check out what I use on a regular basis. But we just doing a basic bitch face today, guys, because I want to get to this damn liner. Powder, RCMA setting powder. Just going to set that area that I just did with my concealer. I'm using the LA Girls contour palette because we got to do something with this faux head. Even though it doesn't show when my hair is down like this, I usually at some point in the day pull it back because it gets on my nerves. It's growing out and I need to do something with it because I feel like it's to that phase again where I want to cut it off, but I'm trying to grow it, so I need a shape or something. I've been snipping on it on my own, and I know that my bestie that does my hair is probably going to talk hella crazy to me whenever I'm able to get over there and get an actual real cut. But you know what? It's been hard times. We've been in a pandemic and ain't nobody been able to cut nobody's hair or even see each other. So, I mean, it is what it is. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera. You guys know I have a million eyebrow tutorials, and I don't be doing nothing super different with my eyebrows. So I'll link all those up there, but I'll be right back. I just used my Maybelline Precise Eyebrow Pencil, did my concealer underneath so that we are ready to get to the actual product. First one I'm going to be using is the clear lash glue liner, and it looks like a marker. It looks pretty easy. Let's read about it first because I literally have not really looked at it since I ordered it. It says apply to clean, dry eyelids free of moisture or makeup. So I don't really have anything on my eyelids, just to make sure that there's nothing there. Apply glue liner along your natural lash line just like you would do a regular eyeliner. Okay, so it's saying when using the clear, you can apply your regular eyeliner over this product, but not under it. Basically, put your liner on first and then use this if you're wanting to do that. Before the liner has a chance to dry on your eyelid, immediately apply your lashes. It says Kiss lashes, but we're using Kiss lashes today. And then pat to set lash strip in place. Repeat on other eyes. So it sounds like it's pretty simple. I'm going to be using my Salon Perfect today. These are a Walmart brand, I think. If I can find them on Amazon, I'll link them, but I love Salon Perfect lashes. They're super easy to use, super affordable, and really good quality. So I buy a lot of these lashes. I like these too because they're a lot shorter than normal lashes come. And I have these tiny little beady eyes, and I'm always cutting like half of my lashes off so that they'll fit on my face. And these, for the most part, I don't have to cut too often. So these are in style 661. Really pretty with the clear eyeliner, and it said just to put it on like a regular eyeliner. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you definitely can see it a little bit, which is good because then you can see where you need to place it. And so that's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it up close. Put this on. And I think this will be good for the technique that I do when I want to hide my lash line, where I basically roll my eyelid skin, which sounds gross, over my eyelash, and it hides the lash band. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that since it's already on there. If you guys want to see a full tutorial, of course, that's in my lash tutorial playlist. Make sure to check that out. But yeah, it is on. Wow, that was pretty easy because glue can get real damn messy. Definitely worked pretty easy, pretty quickly. It feels like it's on there in place. So I'm super impressed. The other eye, so you guys can see how the finished look is. In back with the black liner and try it with that, but I suspect it'll be the same. And I think what I'll do is do like a black liner with my regular liner, then place this over the top because we don't want to waste this in a full wing when you don't want your whole eyelid to stick to each other. So sort of place that on the lash line where the lash would sit and try that. In with the clear liner again. Clear very quickly because it dries quick. And it is super sticky, which is good when you're trying to put lashes on. Just rolling my eyelid over the lash a little bit. So yeah, that works amazing, you guys. You can see the lashes are on there. It's pretty easy to use. There's no mess everywhere like there usually is when you're messing with glue. I definitely like the clear one. So what I'm gonna do now is take the lashes off, wipe my eyes off. We're gonna go back in with the black one and try that. So I will be right back, guys. Okay guys, I went ahead and wiped it off my eyes. Wiped off really easy, just like a regular glue would. And I like the fact that it didn't leave a lot of nasty glue residue on the lash. So that saves a step. You're not having to pick a whole bunch of glue off every time you use your lashes. People who use lashes a lot know what I'm talking about. It's a pain in the ass. In with a winged liner. I'm going to use my regular black liner just to do my wing. And this is the Physicians Formula. Waterproof. I love this liner. So I'm going to do a wing on both sides, and then I'm going to go back in with this black glue just where the lash will sit, and we'll see how well it works with that too. Because this is an all black one, you may be able to use this for the entire wing, let me see how sticky it would get, like, you know, especially us with hooded eyes, if that would stick to it. But also just for saving it, I don't know, I'm not going to use it for a whole wing because I feel like that's wasting the product. These weren't super expensive, but you know, just saving product, I would just use it for where the lash is going to be. But you also can go in with the clear liner over, you know, your black liner. So there's several different ways that you could use this product. I am going to go ahead and put this on my hand though and let it dry and see if it's sticky. That way I can tell you guys if it dries down or not. And just put this, like I said, right where my lash is going to sit. Okay, so one on, just as sticky as the other one is. It has dried down on my hand, but it is a little sticky. So I don't know if I'd want to put that all over as a, you know, a wing liner. Because if you have hooded eyes like I do, your eyelid sort of goes over your liner a little. It would sort of stick. Let's go ahead and do the other eye. They are stuck on there pretty well. I did notice that it does take off the liner just a little bit, so you may have to go back and touch up the liner once you put the lashes on, but they are on there nice and sturdy, just like any other lash glue would. The rest of my face, and I'll come back and let you guys know my final thoughts, recommendations. So I will be back in a few minutes. My makeup, and it's been a few minutes, and I'm still really enjoying this lash glue liner. So you can see my eyelashes are in place. They're just as stable as they would be with any other lash glue. I think that this is a good glue for people, especially for people who are new to using glue and lashes, because the glue, I'm telling you, no matter how good the glue is, it can be really, really dangerous. I used to stay getting glue on my damn eyes and being blinded and all that foolery. That these are good pieces to try if you guys are new to lashes, or if you're, you know, a novice. Definitely a lot easier to deal with. You're not having to worry about the glue waiting to dry, getting all over the place. So I think, yeah, I really, really like this. So I'll be using this a lot. I like that there's several different ways that you can use this. I wouldn't recommend using this for an all over wing. It's still a little sticky on the back of my hand, so I would only suggest putting this where the lashes are going to sit over a liner. This would be perfect, obviously, if you're wanting to wear lashes and no liner. If you're wanting to wear a black eyeliner, you can just put this over the top if you just want to buy one product. I'm impressed. So Kiss has been doing the damn thing. If you guys have used these or have any other suggestions in regards to Kiss products, make sure to comment below. I'd love to go ahead and review them. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. This is very impressed. If you're anything like me and obsessed with lashes, then make sure to check out my other lash tutorials here.